When it comes to what's happening with the evidence that's mounting about Omicron's ability to evade vaccine immunity, we have to talk with our own experts. So Wish TV medical reporter Dr. Mary Gillis is here to talk to us a little bit about this latest study. Mary.
Thanks, Alexis. Okay, so according to a new study, protection against Omicron drops significantly if you don't have a booster shot. Researchers in the UK studied the decline in neutralizing antibodies in symptomatic patients. They found a 2-dose Pfizer series provided just 40% immunity against Omicron just 10 weeks after the second dose. Against Delta, protection was down to 60% in that same time frame. In a statement, the UK Health Security Foundation said these early estimates suggest that vaccine effectiveness against symptomatic disease with the Omicron variant is significantly lower compared to the Delta variant. They go on to say this study contributes to the existing evidence already known among the research community. Omicron evades vaccine immunity more than Delta. Reporting from the studio, I'm Wish TV's medical reporter, Dr. Mary Gillis.